In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. If you deleted emails and they're no longer in the trash, or your trash was emptied after 30 days, don't panic just yet. There may still be a way to recover those messages, depending on the type of Gmail account you are using. In this guide, I will walk you through the recovery options for both personal Gmail accounts and work or school Google Workspace accounts, so you know exactly what to do next. If you are using a personal Gmail account, Google provides an official Gmail message recovery tool that may help restore emails that were recently deleted. To get to it, start by opening Gmail. In the top right corner, click the support icon. From there, select Help. After that, click Visit Help Forum and then choose Help Center. Once you are in the Help Center, look for the section called Browse Help Topics. Under that area, select Fix a Problem. In the drop-down menu, choose Gmail Messages Are Missing. This will take you to the support information related to missing emails and recovery options. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find the section labeled Request Email Recovery. In that section, click Recover Your Emails and then click Continue. A screen will appear asking you to confirm your account information. Click Continue again. Then simply follow the on-screen instructions to submit your recovery request. It's important to understand that this recovery option usually works for emails that were deleted within the last 30 days. So if the deletion happened recently, act as quickly as possible. The sooner you submit the request, the better your chances may be. If you are using a work or school Gmail account through Google Workspace, the process is different. In this case, regular users typically can't perform the recovery on their own. Instead, your IT administrator may be able to recover permanently deleted messages within 25 days after those emails were purged from the trash. If that applies to you, contact your administrator immediately and ask them to use the Data Restore tool in the Google Admin Console. The key takeaway here is that recovery is time-sensitive. For personal accounts, use Google's official recovery tool as soon as possible. For work or school accounts, reach out to your admin right away so they can check whether restoration is still possible. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.